students, welcome to Maths Academy, and this is the first video of class 10. With the help of this video, we will study measures of central tendency. This is very important topic in class 10 in ICSE and CBSE equally. And now first of all, often we observe statistical data which has a tendency to cluster around certain value, possibly center of observation, and that this type of tendency of statistical data is called central tendency, and the numerical value which represent the entire statistical data is called measures of central tendency, which lies in between the two extremes, that is, which is neither lowest value of the given data nor highest value of the given data, but which lies in between the lowest and highest value, that is, two extremities of the given data. And there are three ways of measuring this tendency, and first one mean, second one median, and third one mode. With the help of this video, we will study ungrouped data, how to find mean, median, mode of ungrouped data, or you can say raw data. And in the second video, you will find how to measure mean, median, and mode of grouped data. Okay. Now, as we are concerned about mean, this is normally called as arithmetic mean, and that you are studying from lower classes, and that is sum of all observation upon total number of observation, or sum of all variates upon total number of variates. Okay, and need not to write this. Say variates are x1, x2, right up to n variates upon this, that is total number n. And second thing, median. In case of median of ungrouped data, that is, if you are given certain data, the first step should be you should write the given data whether in ascending order or descending order. After writing in ascending or descending order, then we count total number of the observation. If that is odd, then n plus 1 upon 2th observation will be the median. And if this n is even, in this case, median will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation upon 2. That is, average of these two observations will be taken as median. But this thing very important, that first of all we should write the given data in ascending or descending order. And in the same way, mode of ungrouped data, the maximum number of repetition of data is taken as mode. Okay, now you can take here 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 is repeating itself maximum number of times, and that is mode will be 2. Okay, this is all about mean, median, mode in case of ungrouped data. In next video you will find that mean, median, mode of grouped data. Okay, and this is very important topic in ICSE and CBSE equally. These three ways of measuring central tendency will be more and more clear with the help of questions. Okay, I deliberately selected this type of question in which you will find in the single question mean, median and mode, all the three. Okay, and with the help of this you can differentiate with these mean, median and mode. Now for mean, here you are given data 8, 10, 7, 6, 10, 11, 6, 13 and 10. For mean, we know that summation of xi, I 1 to n, here total number of observation is 9, so we can write here 1 to 9, and that is, this is short form of writing x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus right up to x9 upon total number 9. And adding all these and dividing by 9, we are getting mean is equal to 9. Now for median, the first step should be, we should write the given data whether in ascending or descending order. Now here in case of ascending order, you just write here 6, 6, 7, 8, 10, 10, 10 and 11, 13. Here you can count, this is already 9, then which is odd. For odd the formula will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. This is important, th observation. Sometimes the students are getting confused and they are not writing th observation and they are taking this value as the mean. That will not be value. Actually th observation, that is this th observation, this th observation 5th, then you will come on the given data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 10. This will be the median. Okay, and as we know, in case of mode, the maximum number of repetition of the data 10 is repeating itself 3 times, which is maximum, so mode will be 10. Though you can see this is very easy question, but this question asked in board examination of 3 marks. Now next question. If mean of 5 observations 30 and each of 5 observation is divided by 6, then find the new mean. Okay, for this question let 5 observations are x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. Now summation of these 5 observation is equal to 150, but according to question each observations is divided by 6, and that is why as a whole this is divided by 6, and then putting the value here 150 upon 6 into 5, and this will be 5. This is the new mean. Okay, and next question, the mean of first 8 observation 18 and last 8 observation starting from the last 20. If mean of all 15 observation is 19, find the 8th observation. Now for this question, sum of first 8 observation we are getting 144, and sum of last 8 observation we are getting 160. Then sum of 15 observation also given 285, and that is why what left, 8th observation left out of this, and that is why this plus this minus this will get the 8th observation, and which is 19. Okay, now next question. The median of following observations arranged in ascending order is 25. Find x if the observations are 11, 13, 15, 19, x plus 2, x plus 4, 30, 35, 39 and 46. Whenever in question will get the observation in terms of variables which we don't know, then certainly we'll get the word whether this is arranged in ascending or descending, because without arranging ascending or descending we cannot find median, and that is why here given this is already arranged in ascending order. Now counting this is 10 and which is even, then the formula for median will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation upon 2, and that is 5th observation plus 6th observation upon 2. And now we'll start counting from left. This is 5th observation and this is 6th observation. X plus 2 plus x plus 4 upon 2, and this is equal to 25 which is given, and that is why equating this we are getting x is equal to 22. This is the answer. Now next question. Find the median of 34, 32, x, x minus 1, 19, 15, 11, where x is the mean of these numbers. Okay. Now in this question, first of all we'll find the value of x with the help of these numbers. These are 5 in number, and then we are getting x is equal to 30. Sum of all variates upon total number of variates. Okay. Now here median will write the number, and again n is equal to 7 which is odd, and then median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation, that is 4th observation. Once we'll start counting from left, we'll get x minus 1, and then putting the value of x we are getting here 29 which is the answer. Now next question. The marks of 10 students of a class in an examination arranged in ascending order are as follows. Once we'll get the data in variable, then we'll certainly get this word arranged in ascending order or descending order, because this is the primary condition of finding median, and that is why here the given data is written here 13, 35, 43, 46, x, x plus 4, 55, 61, 71 and 80. Okay. Now after counting we are getting this is 10 which is even. So for finding median, the formula will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation upon 2 for being even, and then 5th observation 10 by 2, 5th observation plus 6th observation upon 2, then come on the here, that is 5th observation x and 6th observation x plus 4. Sometimes the students are getting confused. They are writing this as it is 5 plus 6 upon 2, and that is wrong. Okay. And then in this case x plus 4 upon 2, and this value we are given here 48, and that is why substituting this value, this is 2x plus 4 upon 2, cross multiplication we are getting x is equal to 46, and then hence find mode, and that is why writing this value of x in the given data 13, 35, 43, 46, and this is 46 and this is 15, and then rest of the 55, 61, 71, 80, and now here finding mode, which data is repeating itself maximum number of times, and that is 46, and that is why mode will be 46 and median also 46. This is all about this important topic. Now in next video you will find mean median mode of group data. For that you please subscribe my channel. Thank you.